Hi everybody, it's Tereese here with another video, and happy Thanksgiving to all that celebrate um, in the US. Um, I'm here today to share my altered playing card, and today I'm using a flashcard. This is week 48 for hashtag Deck That Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. Um, so since today is Thursday and it's also Thanksgiving, I wanted to give thanks. I'm very thankful for everything in my life, and I covered the flashcard with this pumpkin paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, also the wood grain paper here. I had some leftover strips, so I just kind of staggered them on my card. This was a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, and it has all these little squares that I cut from that 12 piece of paper. And I have another one that is it's kind of similar, but it has all of these little sentiments. And I picked this one for thanks. And I glued down this butterfly. It had the same colors. This piece I found in my container, and it's a leaf, and it just goes with the theme. And then I used my, what do you call this, little stamp from Stampin' Up! And I stamped it everywhere. And then in the corners, I just added some bling. So really simple card. I love it. Can definitely put something in the back here to write down, what you're thankful for. And yeah, so this is my card for this week. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.